Recorded Books is pleased to present the Modern Scholar Series, where great professors teach you. My name is Richard Poe, and I'll be your host. Today we begin a course entitled Physics for Poets. Your professor will be Richard T. Kouzes. Professor Kouzes is a laboratory fellow at the U.S. Department of Energy's Pacific Northwest National Laboratory. He earned his Ph.D. in physics from Princeton University in 1974, and following a postdoc at Indiana University, he returned to the faculty and research staff at Princeton University. Later, he was in the administration at West Virginia University, where he was also a professor of physics. In addition to his current position at Pacific Northwest National Laboratory, he is also an adjunct professor of physics at Washington State University. The author of over 400 scientific papers and 3 books, Dr. Kouzes is a Fellow of the American Association for the Advancement of Science and a Fellow of the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers. His research interests are in the area of neutrino science, neutron detection, homeland security, and nuclear nonproliferation. His work on homeland security has been for the development and deployment of radioactive material interdiction equipment at U.S. borders. And for 3 years he was the principal investigator and technical lead for the U.S. Customs and Border Protection's Radiation Portal Monitor Project. As a hobby, he builds houses for Habitat for Humanity. And now we begin. Physics for Poets. Lecture 1. Introduction and History.
Welcome to Lecture 1, an Introduction in History. In this first lecture, I'm going to be doing an overview of the subjects, what constitutes physics, give you a little history, and then talk about some introductory concepts that we will cover. This includes things like units, problem solving, terminology. We'll talk about what is physics, and the history of the universe. So have you ever wondered how a bridge can stand up and support such great weight? Or why your golf ball hooks to the left? What causes static electricity? How does your cell phone work? Why is the sky blue, and why are clouds white? How does the sun generate so much energy? And is it worth putting solar cells on your roof? Physics can answer all of these questions. Physics is an inclusive set of topics. We will cover only some of them. We divide physics into modern physics and classical physics. Classical physics is that set of fields like mechanics, thermodynamics, electricity and magnetism, waves, light, and optics. These are the subjects that were developed over the first 300 years of physics. Mechanics includes statics and dynamics. That has to do with how things stand up like bridges, the stresses on...
Sample complete. Ready to continue?